So today I'm going to do a teardown of the CellMate chastity device, which is basically a Bluetooth lock, but for your bits. The idea being that you slip yourself through this ring first, and then that traps you between the ring and the body of the device. To get out, you use a mobile app which releases this locking pin off the side. The ring comes off and you can get out. Now, for the sake of expediency, I've taken some bits out already, but there's a battery compartment here on the inside, which is ostensibly waterproof, and you'll notice that once you're in the device, there is no way to charge or change the battery. So if the battery runs flat or there's a problem, you're kind of stuck. So let's have a look inside and see how it works. So inside, if I put the pin back where it would normally go, you can see that there is a motor that drives a little pin. There's normally a spring here that's pinged out, and that then releases this pin and allows it to come undone. So it's pretty straightforward. Obviously, there's no way to use a magnet because it's a motor here, unless you want to get a drill bit involved, and that's scary. It was possible to insert a metal shim into this point, but again, that's sharp pointy metal near things that really shouldn't want to go. But there is an easier way to open this, even forgetting about the issues with the API and the fact that it is just a note block. So the Bluetooth scheme is fairly well understood anyway. But if you find yourself kind of trapped in one of these, the circuitry is actually directly underneath this panel on the front. Now, I know I've got a knife, but actually you could use any kind of plastic tool, and it does actually lever open pretty straightforwardly. There was a bit of gunk in here, but not a great deal. Again, ostensibly for waterproofing, I suppose. So there's the chip, sort of a standard Nordic BLE implementation. There's two wires, red and black, that go to the battery, white and yellow that go to the motor. And actually, if we grab our probes that are connected to just a 3-volt bench power supply, we can just spike the motor and make it turn around. So that's the way to unlock it, without resorting to APIs, Bluetooth, or angle grinders.